Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Wednesday. Yes. And Wednesday means we are back with another video and we are back to do some more fire stuff with thrift store clothes. Yes, I said it. Thrift store clothes. So if you are interested in that, stay tuned. We are doing a dope thrift haul. Yes, honey. Thrift haul, try on haul, outfit put together, all of that. And if that's what you like, and just keep watching because we got looks for you, 6 of them as a matter of fact, and this is the last one. So if you want to see 1 through 6, then just stay tuned and keep watching. What's her name?
Warisha.
How you say it?
Warisha.
Walisha.
Yeah.
Walisha. So nice to meet ya. See you in the thrift with some shoes and some sneakers. That little skirt you picked was real fly. She turned around and she winked her eyes. So I stepped to her like I knew her. They were cool, but she was cooler. The bell rang, then she turned around. Saw the purses come, then she was out.
Warisha, why don't you just come and see? Show no YouTube family and Warisha, just the clothes that no one has, so they cannot drive her swag. And Warisha.
What's her name? So the first outfit here is the thrifted item is the blazer. The blazer costs 50 cents, you guys. 50 cents at the thrift store on 50 cent day where everything is 50 cent. I paired it with my Gucci belt, these gray leggings, which are a little bit too big, so we're just gonna kind of pull this down, okay? But with these gray leggings, and then I have my red Chanel, as you can see, and then with that, I'm pairing it with these, my red. I don't think you can see them. Let me see. My red Christian Loubs. So they say they want you guys to wear strong shoulder blazers with a belt. So shoulder pads are in, y'all. Don't take them out. And then just put a belt around that guy. You want like masculine, feminine mixed, if that makes sense. That's what's in for 2019, according to Marie Claire and Elle and everybody. So anyway, give me what you think. Tell me what you think about the first outfit. On to look number 2. So the next thing that I got was this shirt. Yes, this shirt gave me Versace vibes. Versace. It's so hot right now. Versace is so expensive. And to be very, very honest, I'm not the kind of person who would probably repeat a Versace shirt too much. You know what I'm saying? Like, you wear Versace, it's loud, you take a bunch of photos in that guy, you take it off. You really can't wear it a bunch of times. I mean, everybody's gonna remember it. And I'm not that big on that. You know, Versace's like a one and done. Unless it's something like a scarf, which you can continually repeat. But like a shirt, I'd recommend going to the thrift and finding you a Versace-esque shirt all day. I have so many of them that look similar to this that are just fire, you know. But this particular one is one that we're styling. So I know from right here it looks like a grandma shirt, but y'all, I'm telling you, this is about to transform into a look, honey. Now, of course, I don't have the right bra on because I have that bralette on, which gives me no boobs. It's not about boobs right now. It's about the videos. We're just going to pretend we have a different bra on, okay? You grab your leather skirt. Shirt buttons, it's like poking. I don't like that. Okay, so here's the second look with the Versace-esque shirt. And I paired the Versace-esque skirt with, the Versace-esque shirt with a dope with a dope leather skirt. And my Chanel bag. And right now the little chains are in. So I'm not even gonna, I have another chain that I add to this bag. But I'm not even gonna do that because this is the way that people are rocking things now. And that's the look. And again, that look with the clear heels. And there you go. Boom. Just like that. just like that. It's long sleeve. It's you know, it's cute. It's cheap. It looks like Versace, but you pay like $4. This shirt was $2. The skirt was like $4. The skirt is from Fashion Nova, but I didn't get it from Fashion Nova. They had it at the thrift. And then this shirt again was like $2. Now the bag, honey, we ain't gonna talk about how much the bag costs, but that's neither here nor there. I always feel like you should invest in a good bag. I don't feel like you need to invest in your clothes because you can make your clothes like $1 million. But I always feel like you should definitely invest in a dope handbag because that's gonna elevate you to the next level. Like, get you a bag, sis. Get you a bag. Make sure your bag collection is where it needs to be. Because as long as you have the bags that you need, all the rest of the outfits are gonna look how you want them to look. Just get the bag. Period. So this is look 2. What do you think? Okay, so here's look number 3. Look number 3, the entire outfit is thrifted. Everything except for the belt, the brooch, and the purse. The jacket, the shirt, and the skirt all came from thrift stores, different thrift stores at different times. This was not a set, believe it or not. It was not a set. I just literally found them separately, and it was just perfect. Like, it was perfect. It's the look. I decided to pair this with my cute gold Chanel because I just thought, no more black, right? You need to kind of chop it up. So I put my gold Chanel bag on, my gold mini Chanel, super small suit, my hand. Yeah. And then I have my Chanel belt on and my gold Chanel brooch. And then the rest of the outfit is all leather, everything. This is leather, looking like a leather-esque Guess shirt. I don't know where this jacket came from. It has some old school brand on it. That's vintage, but this jacket. And then this cute little mini. Yes, and with this, I am pairing this look with these. These are like a combat boot, but they're a heel. So they give me everything I need whenever I want to be edgy and I want to wear leather. I go to these. If it's not a thigh high, it's these. These are comfortable because they have like the big, fat, dumb, chunky heel. They have everything. So here's look number 3. Tell me what you think of look number 3. Is it your favorite? If it is, put it down in the comments. Let me know. So far, this one I think might be up there. You know, I'm loving this. Like, I couldn't believe that I found the skirt and the jacket at different thrifts and they match so well. It just made my whole life. So look number 3. What's her name? How do you say it? Okay, y'all. So here's look number 4. Look number 4 is preppy. Yes, that's what's supposed to be 2019. Look number 4's thrifted item is the pants. Yes, the pants are the thrifted item. Everything else is not thrifted. The shirt is from Forever 21. The suspenders, they're Chanel. This, of course, is my vintage Chanel. And then if you want to kind of give it a little bit of an extra oomph besides just the bag. Oh, and then the shoes. Just because I don't want to wear heels with this, I don't feel like heels would go. So my black espadrilles and this bag. And then if you want to be funky, you can always put a chain on. So you can put the chain on and that can kind of just change up the look. Give it a little bit of an extra oomph, you know, with the espadrilles and your bag. And you have a whole look. So this is look number 4. The thrifted item again are the pants. Everything out, and this belt. The belt is also thrifted. And then with it, I'm pairing my vintage Chanel along with my Fashion Nova shirt and my cute Chanel suspenders. So this is look number 4. What do you think? And this is look number 4 without the chain. Yes, which okay, so this is look number 4. Tell me what you think. Is it your favorite? If look number 4 is your favorite, put it in the comments, y'all. Let me know what you think. Okay, so this is look number 4. So this is look number 5. This is when you want to be a boss. This is, it just makes me feel so boss, you know. It's almost monochromatic, but not quite because we put the black to kind of break it up. I got the entire look from the thrift store. The jacket is from the thrift. The shirt is from the thrift. The pants are a bottom to a suit that I showed you in the last haul. And then, of course, we're going to pair this with just my cute little Gucci, my cute vintage Gucci Boston bag. And that's the look, okay? And then the shoes that you're going to wear is, if you have the shoes that match the sneakers that match this, which I do, you can wear these, but they're upstairs. But there's this. And then if you don't want to wear those, you could also wear the black espadrilles, the plain ones, the Chanel ones. And then if you don't want to wear those and you are ready and about that life, that heel life, you can wear these. And these have that same textured kind of thing as your sweater, you know? So those are the 3 shoe options. And this right here is look number 5. This is such a boss look. I love look number 5. It just makes me feel cute, you know? And if you want to be extra, extra, you can throw a hat on with this guy if you have one of those nice big hats, or maybe even a beret. That would be cute too. Either one. But I just like my hair is laid right now, so we just gonna show that guy. So yes, look number 5. Okay, you guys. So this is look number 6. This is the last look. This is our hot girl outfit. Yes, the jacket came from the thrift. The fanny pack came from the thrift. The skirt came from Ross for like $10 on clearance. $8 on clearance. And then this is just a bodysuit. 9 times out of 10, you can find a leopard bodysuit in the shapewear section to keep it real. Like, I don't know why they have leopard, because you can always see it through your clothes, but they do. If they know it's cute, this is where I got this, in the shapewear section. So it's old, but it's like one of my favorite pieces. I always wear it as a shirt. And I just love the leopard monochromatic feel, you know, mixing different, slightly different leopard that's in the same family and then breaking it up. That's my thing. So this is outfit number 6. With this outfit, I would wear these shoes. These are my favorite chunky heels. They're just so cute. And they just make anything leather look bad. Like, you just look like a bad, you know what. So, anyway, with this, no handbag with this outfit because you got the fanny pack. This fanny pack is perfect because it's big enough for your keys, your card, and your phone. That's really all you need. You gotta go shopping. You need to have hands for bags, honey. So, yeah, if this outfit was your favorite, then put that in the comments below. I would love to hear which one you like the most. So, this is my Walisha's fall, 6 fall outfits for now, and I have more coming. This is my fall outfit ideas for 2019, the thrifted version. Yes, honey, don't go to the mall. Go to the thrift first, and then go to the mall after you go to the thrift. You never know what you're gonna find. Well, you guys have made it to the end of the video. If you're still here, that means you have to press the subscribe button, right? That means that you gotta press that little notification bell in the corner, right? I mean, right? So, if you're still here, please hit the button. Just hit the button. And until next time, the next video will be out on Friday, and I'll see you guys then. Peace.
Alicia.